The Auto HDR Remastering Pro feature upgrades your viewing experience by intelligently transforming standard content into more vibrant, lifelike visuals. What it does? It enhances standard content into optimized HDR-like quality, bringing out richer contrast and improved brightness in every scene. It detects objects and people on screen and boosts their color to make them stand out vividly against the background. How to turn it on? From the home screen, navigate to Settings. Go to All Settings. Go to Picture. Choose Expert Settings. Select Auto HDR Remastering Pro and switch it on. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.